Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Truist Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Truist Bank Login. After you make search, you'll find Truist Online Banking Login on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already directed to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your user ID and your password. You can also sign in with a QR code. In case you forgot your user ID, you can click here, and if you forgot your password and you want to reset it, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.